Welcome to the Start with Maths. This is the Sri Lankan first Olympiad Maths channel. Today I am choose like this question. Let's read this. Which is the smallest number in? They give 5 answers. Root 7 minus root 6, root 12 minus root 11, root 17 minus root 16, and root 22 minus root 21. Last answer, root 27 minus root 26. So first of all, I take the small formula for this. So I can see here n equal like 6, 11, 16, 21, 26. So I can write the common formula for this like root n plus 1 minus root n. So next I multiply the conjugate from the denominator and so I can write in the bracket root n plus 1 minus root n into root n plus 1 plus root n divided by root n plus 1 plus root n. So answer I can write 1 over root n plus 1 plus root n. So denominator becoming larger, the 1 over denominator becomes smaller. So when observing above root numbers, the largest root numbers should give the lowest smallest number. So the largest number is 27 and 26. It means root 27 minus root 26. So final answer for this one is root 27 minus root 26. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and share videos with your friends and stay tuned with us.